How to fix GTA 5 loading story mode problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just go to settings. Once you're here, go to privacy, scroll down until you find here background apps, and now just make sure to turn off this option here, and or you can just close all the applications that you don't need. And if you want to turn off all of those, just turn off the first option and then go to gaming. And now disable this option, Xbox game bar, and then go to game mode, turn it on, go to graphics settings, make sure to turn on hardware accelerated, and now go back, restart your PC and try restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just try to open GTA 5, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just right click here, go to task manager. Now close all the applications that takes your memory, like as you see here, Google Chrome, right click on it and click end task, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.